In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell any product with Facebook ads in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner trying to get your product to a wider audience or an entrepreneur looking to boost sales, mastering Facebook ads can be a game changer. Let's dive right in. First, it's crucial to identify your target audience. Think about the age range, location, and interests of the people most likely to be interested in your product. For example, if you're selling winter coats, your target audience might be adults living in colder climates with interest in winter sports. By knowing your audience, you'll be able to tailor your ads more effectively, ensuring they reach the right people. Now head over to Facebook's Ads Manager by visiting facebook.com/ads manager. Once you're there, click on the Create button to start crafting your campaign. This will lead you to a page where you can select the objective of your ad. For selling products, choose either the conversions or sales objective. These are optimized to encourage actions such as purchases on your website. Next, you'll want to set up your audience budget and schedule. This is where the information about your target audience comes into play. Use it to define who will see your ads. When setting your budget, consider how much you're willing to spend based on how much one sale is worth to you. Also, think about the best times to run your ad based on when your audience is most active online. After that, it's time to focus on your ad's creative elements. This is the fun part where you bring your ad to life. Begin by using a clear and eye-catching product image or video. Your ad should communicate quickly and effectively what your product is, so potential customers can immediately understand its benefits and be drawn to it. Don't forget to add the URL for your product's landing page. This will direct potential customers where they need to go to make a purchase. Ensure that the landing page is easy to navigate and matches the look and message of your ad to provide a seamless experience for the user. Finally, review your ad to make sure everything looks perfect and nothing was left out. Double-check all the links, budget settings, and targeting information. Once you're satisfied, hit publish to set your ad live. Congratulations, you've just set up a Facebook ad that can effectively promote your product to a wide audience. Remember, selling with Facebook ads is all about reaching the right people and showing them the value of what you offer. Keep tweaking based on performance, and you'll soon see how powerful Facebook ads can be for your business.